You've been sold a lie. The lie that wealth is a complex puzzle for geniuses. That you need the perfect tip, the secret stock, the lucky break. You read complicated books, watch confusing gurus, and feel like you're missing a key. Let me free you from that prison. Getting rich is not complex, it is simple. Brutally, almost disappointingly simple. The complexity is a smokescreen. It's how the financial world sells you things you don't need. Machiavelli, the master of realpolitik, didn't believe in magic formulas for power. He believed in strong foundations and pragmatic action. Your fortune is no different. Today, I strip away the noise and show you the 3 simple laws of building real wealth. This isn't about getting lucky. It's about building an empire of resources so strong that money has no choice but to flow to you. Type fortune in the comments if you're ready for the simple truth. And let's dive in. Law 1. The law of the gap. Spend like a peasant, invest like a king. This is the foundation of everything. Wealth is not your salary. Wealth is the gap between what enters your kingdom and what leaves it. It's the moat around your castle. Most men are peasants with a king's expenses. The moment they earn more, they spend more. A bigger car, a fancier watch, a more expensive lifestyle. They are building decorations on a roof with no walls. Machiavelli knew a prince's first duty was to secure his treasury. Your first duty is to defend your gap. This means ruthless honesty with your spending. It means cutting the leaks before you try to pour in more water. Your Stoic solution? For the next month, track every single expense. Not to judge, but to audit. Your goal is to find one fixed monthly cost you can eliminate or reduce. Plug that leak. That saved money is your first brick. Law 2. The law of automatic sovereignty. Make wealth inevitable. This is where simplicity defeats willpower. You cannot trust your future self to choose to invest. You must build a system that makes wealth inevitable. This is the genius of modern thinkers like Morgan Housel. Financial success is a behavior game. Set up an automatic transfer the day after you get paid that moves money directly into a simple, broad investment fund. Make it invisible. Make it non-negotiable. I personally spent years reading complex strategies, but my real fortune started the day I automated a transfer I never see. Your money becomes a loyal soldier, working for your empire while you sleep. This isn't clever investing. It is sovereign command over your resources. Your Stoic solution. This week, open an account if you haven't. Set one automatic transfer for any amount, even if it's small. Your job is to set the system. The system's job is to build the fortune. Law 3. The law of survival. The only skill that matters. The final law is the Machiavellian masterstroke. The law of survival. The skill isn't picking winners. The skill is not losing. Avoiding the one catastrophic blow that destroys your foundation. Most wealth is destroyed by debt, panic, and ego. Taking on stupid debt to look rich. Selling investments in a market crash out of fear. Chasing a hot tip with money you can't afford to lose. Machiavelli taught that preserving your state is harder than acquiring it. Your financial state is the same. Your focus must be on defense. Avoid bad debt. Have a cash buffer for emergencies. Stay the course. Time and consistency are alchemists that turn simple, boring actions into gold. But only if you survive. Your Stoic solution. Build a survival fund equal to 3 months of your core expenses. This is your financial moat. It stops panic from making you pathetic. All these combined control the gap, automate the flow, survive the storms. This is the simple, unsexy blueprint. It is how you build. You are not gambling. You are engineering. You are applying the same systematic focus from your perfect daily routine to your finances. This is the real power behind the strong image you project. An image backed by a fortress is unshakable. You stop chasing money. You start building a system that attracts it as a natural result of your discipline. If you are ready to end the confusion, to build real, lasting wealth on a foundation of simple laws, your Brotherhood is here. Subscribe and join our Brotherhood. Let's build empires, not just incomes. With your external foundation set, the final frontier is within. Next time, we conquer the chaos of the mind itself. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. This was your today's Stoic advert. We are here to build, to master, and to lead. See you at the next one.